How to log in LL credit card account online. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your LL account online. So without any further ado, let us get started with the process. Open up any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in LL credit card login. Once you have done that, you will see city.com. Tap onto it. Then you will get landed onto this page. Here simply type in your user ID. Once done, type in your password at the box below. In case you would like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says remember my user ID. Once you have done that, tap on to sign in. In case you are having difficulty signing in with your password or ID, tap on retrieve user ID or reset password and get help resetting your account. And if your credentials matches your account, you will successfully get logged into it. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.